to my channel. For today's video, we're doing another BoxyCharm unboxing because I got my October box in the mail just a few days ago, so I'm super excited to see what we got in our box. I have no makeup on right now, just some moisturizer, so I'm really ready to get right into this video. It's hard enough for me to see myself on camera as it is, but without makeup, it's just cringy, so we'll make this video like a unboxing slash get ready with me. And before we get started, definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I try to post as frequently as possible. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we have in our October box. Okay, so we have our card, which has the theme on it, just called Candy Shop, and then it's got candy all on it for the month of October, which is super cute. And then on the back, it just lists all the products, what they are, and how much they cost. So the first product I see is this body wash infused buffer. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this brand name because I'm gonna butcher it, but this is what it looks like. The card says it is $20. It says that it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages your skin, and you can use it multiple times. The scent is cherry tonka musk, so it's like a musky cherry scent. I honestly probably wouldn't use this just because I have really sensitive skin, so I just use a gentle cleanser like Dove, and then every once in a while I'll use an all-natural exfoliant. I'm sure this smells amazing, but I think I'm gonna actually put it in a future giveaway on my Instagram, which I try to do every once in a while, so definitely go follow me over there. Okay, the next product we have is by a brand called Radial. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand. These are soft focus glow drops. It's an illuminating glow primer. This retails for $60, so I guess this is a high-end primer because that's a lot of money for a primer. I'm actually really excited about this because I only have matte primers. I usually try to get a primer that blurs out my pores, and I don't have anything that's like dewy. So I'm excited to try this today. It says it is supposed to illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new soft focus glow drops. This skincare slash makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's so pretty and it's pink. Okay, we just have a few more products. So we have, oh my gosh, I love this brand so much. This is by Soul, and I use their body lotions all the time. They have my favorite bum cream ever, and I love to use it during the summer because it tightens and hydrates your skin, and it has the best coconut beachy smell ever. This is Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. I've never tried this before, but I'm so excited that I got this in my box because their products are just amazing. I wonder if it has that same coconut smell. I feel like this is gonna be super hydrating for my lips. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, it has a little bit of a different scent, but I think I can still smell a little bit of coconut, so I'm really excited to try this on my lips today. Okay, next we have this moisture replenishing serum by Farcelli, which I absolutely love this brand as well. We're getting some really good products in this box. I use their Skin Tune Blur Primer, which I think is around $50. They are a pricey brand. This serum is $24, so that's not too bad. That's a lot cheaper than my primer that I use by them. This is supposed to hydrate and replenish your skin. Okay, and then this is what the bottle looks like. Let me see if it has a fragrance. Okay, so it doesn't really have a smell, which is good. I'm probably not gonna put this on before I do my makeup, so I'm just gonna put some on my hand and see what it feels like. Okay, so it's not really sticky, which is good. A lot of serums tend to be kind of sticky, so I'm excited to try this out. And our last product is by Pretty Vulgar, another brand that I absolutely love. It's called Nesting Bitch Face, and it's a face palette. The packaging is so cute. It's like a 50s vibe. This is what the inside looks like. So this retails for $32 and it says Nesting Bitch Face palette offers a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and creamy glowing highlighters. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with trying out some of these products. So I'm going in with the Soft Focus Glow Drops. Okay, so it feels really good on my skin. It does kind of have a weird smell to it, so hopefully once I layer on some more makeup, that smell will kind of go away. Okay, I'm going in with Beauty Blender's Longwear Foundation. Finally, we're getting some makeup on my face. During this Get Ready With Me, I really need to try to engage a little bit more and talk about who I am and how I got into makeup. I'm still so new to YouTube and it's kind of hard for me to like open up and not be so robotic on camera. So I'm definitely working on that. I'm trying to show more of my personality. I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. But yeah, for those of you who don't know, my name is Tia, and I guess I got into makeup when I was, well, I guess I've always kind of worn makeup and I've always loved makeup, but I really started to get into it when I started to like watch YouTube and follow some beauty influencers on Instagram. And I've always wanted to get better at makeup because my mom has always been really good at makeup. And she would always do like these really pretty eye looks. I could never replicate it and I just wanted to be as good as her. So that's kind of how I started to get into it. I just started to practice and watch YouTube videos. And then eventually I just started to see progress and I was getting a lot better at it. And then I started to discover new products. Like I never heard of primer before. That was like one of the first products I really discovered. I used to just wear foundation and then just like cover my face in powder. Like I had no idea what I was doing. So once I discovered what primer was, I was like, oh, that's really cool. I want to learn more about that and see what other products I could learn about that I may have not known about in the past. And yeah, that's just kind of how I started with makeup. I'm going in with Pretty Vulgar's setting powder. I'm just setting underneath my eyes and baking. That's another thing, I never knew what baking was. I never set my makeup before. That explains why my foundation would be like creasing within the first hour of wearing it, because I just had no idea that there were all these different steps to doing a full face of makeup. I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I used to use eyeshadow for my eyebrows when I was in high school. I should do a video of how I used to do my makeup in high school. It was so bad. I would say at the beginning of high school. It got better towards the end of high school. That's when I kind of started to get into makeup more. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Pretty Vulgar palette. I'm taking this shade right here, which is called Son of AB. I'm just gonna bronze up my face with this. I think when I really discovered my talent for makeup was around the time my dog died. I just would stay up till 4 a.m. every single night and I would just cry and cry. And so instead of crying, I would start doing my makeup and just like doing these crazy looks on my eyes. And then I would send them to my friends. Eventually my friend was like, you should make an Instagram account and post these looks because like they're really good. And I was like, okay, yeah, I'll do that. And so every single night I would just like stay up till 4 a.m. because I couldn't sleep, and I would just put that energy towards that sad energy that I had towards doing makeup, and I would start posting my looks and I was getting really good feedback. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and it's called Hush Blush. I'm taking this highlighter right here. But yeah, I just decided that I wanted to do makeup on other people and not just myself, so then I got certified with Glam Lab Studios as a makeup artist. I was gonna start freelancing myself, but then COVID happened, so it's been kind of hard to start my business as a makeup artist. I've just been kind of practicing on my friends at the moment so that once the pandemic is over, I'll be ready to go and I'll have plenty of experience and I can start doing makeup for weddings and events. So I really like this palette. Bronzer, blush, and highlighter. It's really nice. Let me go ahead and try out this tinted lip butter. You guys, this stuff is so creamy and hydrating, and the color is beautiful. I'm telling you guys, this brand is amazing. Definitely try out some of their products. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. Maybe I'll do like a fall look. I do have to kind of keep it low-key because I have somewhere to be tonight. I think I pretty much used all of the products out of the BoxyCharm, well, the ones that I could use. Now I'm just priming my eyes. This is one of those things that like I had no idea about. Like, who would have known about an eye primer? Not me, not when I was in high school. Okay, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette because it's got a lot of fall colors. I'm first gonna start with this shade right here for a transition shade. I'm now taking this brick red shade right here. My dog just entered the room. Her name's Fiona. I would pick her up and show you, but she's the size of an actual wolf, so. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my crease with some concealer. I'm going into my Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette, and I'm taking this shade right up here. And I'm just gonna apply this shade on my lid right where I cut my crease. I wanna add a little bit more gold to this look, so I'm taking my Glitter Pop eyeliner by Too Faced, and I'm basically going to outline right where I cut my crease with this glitter eyeliner. From the same palette, I'm taking the shade right up here and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. I'm just putting a little bit on my brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I did the other eye. I really like October's BoxyCharm. I think it's better than September's box. It has so many amazing products in it. I think my favorite is actually the Soft Focus Glow Drops, which I'm surprised by because I usually don't like dewy primers because I feel like they make my face look greasy throughout the day. But this primer so far is making my face look so hydrated and glowy. So I'm really happy that I got to discover this product. That pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope I was a little less robotic today. I'm gonna try to have a friend come on at some point and film a video with me because I think that will help me open up more and show more of my personality. But anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.